Hey, how's it going everybody? It's Christian L here with Eat Like an Apex. This evening we're in Castro Valley, California, and we're checking out a place called Toto's Grill. It's Filipino street food and it's a spot where you can grill your food. We're gonna check out this place, check out some of the food and try some of this delicious food. And if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, hope you find time to subscribe. I greatly appreciate that. And I'm excited to show you everything in this video of Castro Valley, Toto's Grill, Filipino street food right now.
Welcome sa Toto's. Toto's Grill.
Filipino street food.
Yeah, it's a Filipino
okay.
street food.
Okay, very good. Chef. Oh, the chef. Chef. Hello, chef. Nice to meet you. Yeah. Filipino street food, skewers.
Filipino street food.
Filipino street food.
Something that you cannot find in any place or anywhere. It's just, we sell exotic parts of the animal.
Okay.
We sell intestines, chicken feet, liver, pork blood.
First time here, we're gonna try it out and
please.
enjoy the food here. Thank you, chef.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. And go here. And then I guess I'll try some squid. One of each for now. Yeah. Chicken head. I'll put that pork in here. Chicken barbecue right here. Pork intestine and beef intestine. Pork liver, I mean. Yeah, we'll get some liver. Chicken feet, I'll put that over here. I think these are both pig ears. Kikiam. I don't know what kikiam is, but we'll try everything. Oh, and a hot dog. Except it likes hot dog. Lobster ball. Fish ball. Chircharon bulak. Chircharon bulak. And pork sumai. And then since I'm already doing most of everything, we'll get this here too. Whatever. This is a pork spring roll and what is this? Yeah, let's do it. Let's do the Kwek Kwek.
You want rice?
Just one would be good. Yeah. And I got like one of each, I think.
Vinegar.
Over the vinegar. Okay. Since we're kind of filming everything here, you go do balut.
Oh, we got the balut.
Yeah, we have a balut.
Thank you.
Yeah. Very good. Okay.
312.
Salamat atin.
Salamat din.
Okay. Lay on top of here. Just like that. Lineup of the food here. Alright. Since I lay them out on this way, I'll start flipping the ones I just turn. Flip it this way. I'm really enjoying this experience actually. It's really good. That's awesome. I let that sit there because it's kind of falling apart. That's okay. Actually, this is good right here. Vinegar and sauce over here. Should I do the spicy vinegar? Yeah. Can't have enough spice. Okay. The spicy version, cucumber vinegar. Okay. Fish ball spicy sauce. Hello. Alright, so we are kind of set with the display of Filipino street food here. But this is the first type of like Filipino restaurant where I've been to where they provide the skewers already kind of pre-cooked, but then you grill it yourself again afterwards. Really great experience. We have here a kind of display of meat and fish balls and items on a stick. So I think the first thing I want to do is I want to eat that squid. Big fan of squid, and I'm going to try that one squid just pure first. But this looks simply amazing. There you go. flavor from the squid. It's nice and warm, and very gelatinous, and very just, oh yeah, it's creamy too. That's the squid. Work on another one here. So here's a fish ball. So let me give this one a bite. I'll have this one pure as well. It's like a spongy texture. Oh yeah, it's good. That's really good. Off the grill, soft and delicate. Oh man. Let me go ahead and knock out the squid. What I'm gonna do with the squid now is I'm gonna try some of that spicy vinegar sauce, and I'm gonna pour some of that on top of the squid. Yeah. All right. And bite. There's some spice in that. I think that's like Thai chili peppers maybe. Some purple onions and that vinegar and some garlic. Oh, that's excellent. Okay, salt the hot dog. Okay, here we go. Okay, here goes the hot dog here. Nice red looking hot dog. Go to bite. Kind of a more like sweet flavored hot dog. I love that soft texture. Yeah, that's a good sausage. Wow. Okay, let's move on here. Now, I used to not like these before. Believe it or not, that I wasn't a big fan of them. Liver, sort of pork liver. Now I've kind of acquired them, and I don't mind having, but I will have it with the vinegar sauce. So kind of pour it in there, kind of like drizzle it around in here, so it doesn't. There we go. Okay, some chili and some onions on there too. All right, here we go. Okay, bite. That's very irony. Taste that liver. Oh man, that's got a like a really chalky texture to it. Perfect with the vinegar. Oh wow. Let's move on here. Now I'm gonna start forgetting some of the names here, but I think this is like pork. This might be pork. Okay, I'm addicted to the sauce now. We might have to try the other one too in a bit, but let me just get this here. Give this a bite. That's like gelatinous, barbecue flavored, like pork on a stick. That's good. Wow. I'm gonna try the rice yet. Right here. Alright, moving on here. I think these were the intestines. But let me try with this spicy, I think it said cucumber? Spicy cucumber vinegar sauce. I'll put some of that on here. And bite. That's spicy too. Yeah, that's really good. Like intestine-y, slightly irony, chewy, fatty texture to it. Let's just go ahead and just bite it. I'm gonna put some of that, this vinegar sauce. Both sauces are good, but I think I'm leaning towards this one. I like this one right here. All right, and bite. We'll chase that with some rice too. I don't know the name of this here, but I'm gonna give this one a bite. It looks like a fish ball, but like fried on the outside. Oh, orange color. Good bite. Kind of potato-y. They're kind of plain tasting, like starchy.
Quail egg.
What? Oh, quail egg. Oh, there's a quail egg.
That's why it was called Kwek Kwek.
Try it. It's like a quail egg inside of there. Now that I think about it, yeah, it does have that eggy flavor and texture to it. I'm gonna move on to this right here. Don't know what this is called again, but it is fried on the outside. I'm gonna go ahead and add some of that sauce again. All about that vinegar spice sauce. Ooh, yeah. All right, here we go. And bite. Almost bit my tongue, my lip. It's very spongy. Kind of reminds me of a tempura fish ball, like a fish cake. It kind of is like fish cake, fried on the outside with some minced herbs, some veggies on the inside. Oh, I believe this is the pig ear, I think. Yeah, looks like a piece of ear. You know what, let me go navigate to this sauce here. Put some of that spicy cucumber vinegar sauce on here. Like slightly chewy, pig eary texture, fatty too. I love it with the vinegar spice again. All right, moving on here. Okay, chicken. You said this sauce was good? Okay, I'm gonna try it with this sauce here. And I think he says this is the fishball sauce. Have this sauce with the chicken and like. It's tender. I love the char. That's good too. And this, I don't know what this is. Like fried pig ears maybe? But as always, add that vinegar sauce onto it with the purple onions. Or just kind of like mix it in there now. Okay. Alright, and bye. Wow. That's pork chicharron. Oh, nice fatty, deep fried texture. Oh, that's very flavorful. Oh, that's really good. I like that one. Pot sticker, dip, sumai, yeah, fried sumai, dim sum on a stick. This is the lobster ball. Let me dip with this here. Oh, actually, I'll dip it with the that peanut sauce. And I forgot to mention that sauce is really good too. Alright, and bite. Spongy, like imitation lobster meat flavor. And that sauce too, wow, that's like a sweet, gravy-ish sauce. Shanghai Lumpia with the vinegar. There's like minced pork inside of it too. Second to last is the chicken feet here. So I'll dip this chicken feet in the brown spicy sauce. Oh, I got like the legs. There's a bunch of bones when you're eating chicken feet. You're gonna have to navigate your way through the chicken feet, but it is very like gelatinous. It's tasty. That meat really falls off the bone delicate. You still have to navigate some of the bones around that chicken feet, but it's really good. All right, the last one. Okay, it's called the chicken head. You remember that name? What I will do here is add some of that sauce on top. All right, and it's called the chicken head, and I'll find out what's inside of it right now. See that? A boiled egg inside of that. Whereas these ones have the quail egg, the smaller version. You see that size comparison here? Yeah. Taho. Okay, thank you, Auntie. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this up here. And I think you're supposed to mix it. So, oh, you got some, oh, there's boba. Okay, I'll try it like this first.
It's hot.
Yeah, it's hot. All right, let me bite this Taho. Oh yeah. So I didn't mix it yet because Shauna wants to try it.
With little tapioca balls. Hi.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and mix it. So I'm gonna get some of that on the bottom. Let's give that a bite now. Yeah, so it is like silky sweet with the boba, like a very hot and warming dessert. You don't want to drink it too fast because it's really hot. Sweet factor to it. I like the texture from the boba, and it's very like silky smooth, creamy. Yeah. Oh yeah, you can just like sip that. Yeah, bean curd sounds correct. Drinking it too, you kind of get more of everything. I'm excited to try this right here. They have it here in the restaurant. This Filipino street food grilled restaurant. It's the Balut, man. So yeah, the Balut is a fertilized egg embryo. I believe it's that duck here. Oh yeah, these are one of the Filipino delicacies. It's popular amongst the Asian community and Western culture too. I think we've adopted it, but for sure it is a definite Filipino delicacy. Maybe try the table, sorry. There you go. Okay, so I'll peel that. Alright, there you go. Oh yeah. Okay, there's some soup inside of here too. And the first thing I like to do is I like to drink the soup first. Oh yeah. Prior to opening it, you know that Balut has that embryonic broth inside of there. Like, oh, it's so good. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and just continue opening that. So once you navigate that egg, the begin to see. Oh yeah, this is a good one right here. There's like 3 stations, categories to this balut here. You have the chicken or the duck embryo, you can see right here. All right, and so you have that embryonic duck, and then you have the yolky part, the yellowish, light yellowish. Lastly, you have the hard end here that I don't necessarily eat. Let me have it with some vinegar. I mean, I could have it by itself without any sauce, but I'll have it with the vinegar. Cheers. Oh, that's good. I like to have the soup, have the embryo, and then that yolky part here. I'll put a little bit more chilies on top of that. Here we go. Cheers. I don't eat this part here, so this part's too rubbery, too tough to eat, and it's probably not good for your digestive system too. We've just dominated everything on the stick, and yeah, I quite enjoyed that. Candy, thank you so much. Thank you for having us here. Enjoyed everything here in Hayward, California. Toto's Grill. Come visit my auntie. Check out their stuff here. It's really delicious. Thank you. Yeah?
Take her.
Yeah, thank you. And the balut. That's my favorite.
No, like this, recording the balut.
She can't use it, that'll do it. All right. Okay. All right. Okay, that was Toto's Grill here in, she said Hayward, but when I looked it up on Google, it did say Castro Valley, so I'm gonna go with Castro Valley, Hayward area. Fantastic Filipino street food restaurant. If you're looking for that type of cuisine, it's here in the Bay Area. You'll have a great time kind of cooking and grilling your food. A variety of meats to choose from. I went and got actually practically everything. With that said, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I greatly appreciate that. Peace out, one love, late. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. Later.